Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these miniature items. Before I get into the video, I want to say thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I'm using recycled materials like this yogurt cup. If you would like to see a list with all of the materials, I put everything in the description box. As you can see, all of these projects are very simple. All you need to make the miniature plates is a recycled cup and nail varnish. For the next item, I'm using an empty eyedrop bottle and hot glue. For those of you who don't know, Skillshare is an online learning community that helps you explore your creativity and learn new skills like arts and crafts, music, graphic design, entrepreneurship, and much more. Feel free to follow the link in my description box if you want to join. The first 1,000 people to click the link will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. What's great about Skillshare is that there are no ads and they're always launching new premium classes, and even after your free trial it's less than $10 a month if you choose the annual plan. Now I'm using an empty container of my contact lenses, hot glue and nail varnish to make miniature bowls. For the next items, you'll need a little bit of patience since they are very tiny. To make the knife, the fork and the spoon, I'm using clear plastic, tape and nail varnish. And here you can see the finished items. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to click the link in my description box to get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership, and let me know in the comments which classes you're interested in. I'm currently taking a class called Productivity for Creatives by Thomas Frank, since I want to be able to post more videos and be more consistent on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!